So step two to how to become a private money lender is we need borrowers. There's no way that this works without the borrower, right? Elridge and I have a metric that we track. It's called dead money, right? And so if the money is sitting and not being loaned out to a borrower, it's dead. It's not making us any money. My business is dead, right? And so we need borrowers. And so developing relationships with those borrowers, there's fix and flippers, there's people out there who need your service, right? Who do not fit the traditional banking model, who are building a real estate empire, and they need your service. They need you, just like we need them. And so where do we find these borrowers? So again, once we do step one and we set our foundation, step two is now we got to go, how we get our money out, right? How do we get it deployed, working in our local cities or working in our local parishes and counties? Simply go to the meetup. Go to the local real estate association and stand on a chair and tell everybody you got money. Not lying, you don't do it like that. But you do announce that, hey, you have money to lend. And then you're going to take your underwriting criteria and you're going to say, hey, I lend on 1 to 4 single family units. I go up to 65% LTV. I have at least a 20% down payment. I can fund your deal within 7 business days, 10 business days after the title is clear. We do a reimbursement. We do 100% of the construction or rehab costs. This is what you're going to tell people when you go to the real estate meetup in the meetup association, right? So this is where you're going to find your first borrowers, right? And be patient. If you have a social media presence, you might want to blast that out on your social media platforms. But the best way to start is to go to the real estate meetup with associations. If there's more than one, you need to be at every one of these. In the very beginning, Elridge and I were rolling all over Southeast Louisiana, going to every real estate meetup, every real estate association, every real estate event. You need to be there. And you need to be there with your business cards. You need to be there with some type of advertisement. Check out the shirt, saying, hey, you're here, you're in the community, and you have the money to lend, and you have it ready to lend now. So that's how you're going to find borrowers.